Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Bosch Dishwasher E22 error code in 2026. Now this E22 error code is heavily linked to the blocked filter systems. So in order to fix it, first of all, you just have to start by removing the bottom rack and twisting out the filter unit. You need to clean away the food particles, grease, paper labels or mineral buildup. Even partial blockages can reduce the water circulation and drainage. Even after cleaning, the issue still persists. You just have to simply inspect the fine mesh screen and pump cover area. So beneath the filter, you need to check for the hidden debris around the fine screen and the drain pump access area. So these smaller blockages often trigger the E22 error repeatedly. So cleaning this area thoroughly can restore the proper flow. Now you can also check for the spray arm for circulation restrictions. So restricted spray arms can worsen the debris buildup. So you need to remove and inspect the spray arm holes for grease, water deposits and food particles. The blocked spray pressure may prevent proper self-cleaning inside the filter system. Now, once all the restrictions are removed, you just have to also turn off the power for several times. Then simply restart your dishwasher. If the error disappears, it means that the system has successfully recalibrated after blockage removal. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.